Artificial intelligence (AI) is overwhelming the world by storm, and numerous experts place that the technology has carried us to the cusp of a fourth modern industrial revolution that will in a general sense change the business landscape. AI and machine learning are answerable for a consistent stream of advancement and disruption in the manner organizations operate. To try not to be given up, business pioneers need to get ready for this future at this point. While the most punctual iterations of how AI working on sales arose during the 1950s, hardware limitations prevented the innovation from reaching its actual potential. The amount of handling power in our pockets today would have astounded scientists in that time, and advanced. Progressed algorithms are permitting us to give it something to do, sifting through reams of information in seconds at the simple touch of a button. AI for sales isn't genuine insight, yet it is fit for spotting designs buried profound inside data indexes that human eyes could conceivably see, and in a small amount of the time. Furthermore, because of deep learning methods, it's equipped for learning and improving over time, which means it turns out to be increasingly more compelling at its particular job. Because of this practical aspect, AI is powering an exciting array of uses from investment methodologies to autonomous vehicles. PCs will get more smarter. AI for sales, analyzing data and spotting patterns that people overlook. Data modeling and data mining are giving breakthroughs in predictive analytics, which means, our PCs aren't thoroughly dissecting what's as of now happened, however utilizing that data to anticipate future conduct. At the point when you include machine learning, it resembles unloading fuel on the fire. As more data gathered, PCs learn and discover substitute pathways. In marketing, this considers incredible approaches to target potential customers by looking at historical and behavioral data to conjecture conduct. It further permits us to hyper-focus on our prospects, driving us to hotter leads, and shortening closing timelines. Chatbots and intelligent assistants are getting more noticeable. These machines learn over the long haul and streamline how they cooperate with consumers. The more connections they have, the more intuitive they become. Develop an open culture. As indicated by McKinsey, a profit gap is now arising between early AI adopters and the individuals who presently can't seem to actualize the innovation. Lamentably for the organizations that are abandoned, getting up to speed is more than the matter of purchasing a new software. While the rhythm of technological change is adequately troublesome to stay aware of, the movement of cultural change is frosty. To exploit simulated AI requires a team collaboration, which requires associations to construct that culture of trust and receptiveness to empower collaboration. Support this sort of open culture now. For instance, advance cross-team cooperation, invite process experimentation and rethink key performance activities, to encourage uplifting and positive attitudes toward technological change and AI adoption. Partner with the pioneers. AI for sales is on the front line of technological innovation, and the pioneers are pushing it to the following innovative level or startups. These small organizations aren't going it alone, in any case. From financial institutions to automotive organizations, organizations are financing incubators and accelerators to support the next generation of new startups whose innovation will change enterprises. Gain and capitalize on creativity. AI can do the math better than anybody you would want to employ, yet it can't do everything. It indeed can't practice innovative critical thinking abilities, and it's dependent upon your employees to transform the insights AI unlocks into high-level methodologies that drive business esteem. The issue is that numerous organizations consider AI for sales to be the remover of occupations when indeed it is a job creator and efficiency upper. Rather than requiring an innovative and creative team to multitask between doing the math and strategy continually, use how AI working on sales to play out a portion of the snort work, and let loose your creative teams to do what they specialize in. The underlying usage may make tasks less productive. However, after some time, your marketing and other creative groups will turn out to be significantly improved at employing the technology. With a touch of involvement, they'll point it at the correct data to decide your organization's next step in reaching its goals.